Hi guys, let's see how to replicate A to Z in cells. So if you want to simply just want to go to A to Z in this column, so how to replicate this using a formula. So the best way for doing this is write char, okay, and then you have to type 65 and it gives you A as a number. But for replicating this, what we will do is it's 2, then we'll type 63 plus row number A2. Okay, and then close it. So what it will give, the row number of A2 will be 2 and it will be added to 63. Okay, hit enter and it will give A. But if we go to the second line, if we drag to the second line, it will give B because the row number is now 3. So it will become char 66 and char 66 is B. Okay. Similarly, if you will keep dragging, it will go to A to Z easily. Okay. And you can go up to Z. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please do like,